think of this place? I like it. It's modern and fancy. The menu is varied and abundant. I will come back again. I know. The food is amazing too.
Here's your food. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, is the lasagna as good as they said? Definitely. This tastes just like the lasagna I tried when I was in Italy.
I know, the chef is so talented.
So, how often do you go to eat out?
I don't like cooking and I live alone, so I go out to eat almost every day.
Really? Honestly, I don't eat out much. I live with my parents and my mom likes cooking, so she makes me eat at home.
What is your favorite type of restaurant to go to?
Since I don't go out much, I prefer restaurants from different cultures like Chinese or Korean.